Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I'd like to show you one of my specialties, Grandma Ray's potato salad. Okay, this is something that I have never ever been so proud of, and I want you to at least be able to taste it. Okay, I want you to make it and taste it. Yeah, because the holidays is coming up. It's a great dish for the summer. All right, so let me adjust the camera and let's get started. Thank you. Okay, the first thing you want to do is get you some potatoes. I used, I think it was maybe 8 medium potatoes, okay? And then you wash them really good, rubbing the skin and everything. And then you're going to boil them with the skin on. And once they boil, you want to, when you think that they're done, take a fork and stick in. If the fork goes in easy, without any hesitation, then they're done, okay? So then you want to take them out, let them cool, and then you want to peel all the peeling off, and then you want to dice them. Let me show you how they are once they're diced. You see? Okay? Small dices, not tiny, but small, okay? Alright, so the next thing I want to do is introduce you to what we're going to put in it. So this is black pepper. Let's sprinkle some of that in there. Celery salt is the key ingredient. Celery salt. We're going to put a lot of celery salt. Now remember, seasonings is your choice, how much or how little. Kosher salt, a little bit of that, because the celery salt is already salt, right? Okay, and then we have mustard, okay? So we want to do 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. I need maybe a couple more. 4, 5 drops. Okay, 5 drops of mustard. Then we have sweet relish. Okay? One, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with 4 teaspoons of relish. We're going to taste it in a little bit in case we need to add other items. Okay? Alright, so now we have 3 eggs. Okay? We're going to cut the eggs up in here. Doesn't matter how you cut it up. Big, small. That's up to you. Okay, and I'm cutting the last one up. Okay, so once I cut them up, I just take the knife and I cut them again inside the potatoes in the bowl. Okay, that's good enough. Now we're going to add, I'm using Hellmann's mayonnaise. I'm going to add the Hellmann mayonnaise. Okay. Now, let's mix that up. Now the mayonnaise don't really matter. I happen to like Hellman, that's my favorite, but if I don't have Hellman's and I have something else, then that's okay too. Okay? Hellman's is really expensive, and I usually go on the cheaper end of things, but Hellman's I really like, so I splurge for that and cut back on other things. Okay, now let me let you get a look at that. See? Okay, so now I want to taste that to see what I'm missing. I think I need some more celery salt. And some black pepper. Okay, let me taste that. Good. I'm missing one thing. I'm going to put 1 package of sugar substitute. Now this is optional. You don't have to put it in yours. Okay, let me taste that. Mmm. That's it. Let me plate it up and give you a look at that. Okay, there we go. Grandma Ray's potato salad. Oh, you're gonna love it, you're gonna love it, you're gonna love it. And let me get a picture. How about that, huh? All right. And let me give it a taste. Mmm. I can taste the pickles and the eggs and the celery salt. It's really, really, really good. I like it. Okay, so the word of the day is try something new for the fun and go have some fun, will you? Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Hit the links below, share the video. I would appreciate if you hit the like button if you like it, and I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye-bye.